Hey yo, welcome to Michigander Outdoors. We're at Newburgh Lake, the one in Livonia. So, like I've said before, I don't mind telling you about this spot. It's already extremely pressured and it's not going to hurt anyone if you come out here, especially if you bring the kids, because there's lots of bluegill, as you'll see in my last video and this video. Alright, first one of the day, and a little spoon with a bead. He's coming for it. Boom. These guys are hungry. Look at that. These fish don't like when they're just dead sticking, so you gotta bounce it a little bit. We're sitting in 15 feet of water, and they're suspended anywhere between 12 and 14. Ooh, what you want to do? Perfect hook. Set. Alright, so I brought my stuff up and then they started chasing it. But that is definitely fish. And get back down there. Those looks like the surface. Oh, are you kidding me? I mean, look at his mouth. And look at that bead. And he poked me. Also, pro tip from a non-professional fisherman. If you're not fishing from a shanty and it's snowing, bring something to put your electronics and shit that you don't want to get wet under. I did not. As you can see, I could probably turn my bucket over, but it's already wet. So I got my $300 drill in my coat. So little guy. Anyways, it's a weekday after work. It's snowing a little bit, but that shouldn't, it's not stopping me. Yeah, there is no other fishermen out here. I don't know why. Maybe they know something I don't. Or they don't, or maybe they don't know what I know, because I'm catching a shitload of fish. Can't eat them, just fun, but something to do after work. Alright folks, I've had enough for today. It's kind of wet and I'm getting bored catching all these fish, so I quit filming, and yeah, because I was just catching dinks, probably like 50 of them today. This was just a little fun after work stress reliever, and kind of practicing some new lures. That little spoon, that worked out well, and we're gonna take that over to probably Lake St Clair this weekend and get some of them golden crispies over there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it beneficial, useful. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so help me out there. I might do something big. This is Michigander Outdoors, over and out.